This is it, y'all. Cars are coming in and out. We're gonna go in and see what it's all about. And we gotta get this side here. Look, they got a little seating area outside. That's it right there, y'all. Serving you since 1952. That was a long time. That was way before my time. Farmers market restaurant right there. Right there. Right there, y'all. They said they got some soul food. Look, y'all, I got the barbecue, smoked barbecue ribs. I got black eyed peas, y'all. I got a side of okra. I got macaroni and cheese right there. That right there is the cornbread. We here at the farmer's market. I don't know what this is. This look like candy yam. I mean, cranberry sauce. That's what that look like, cranberry sauce, right? This right here is a roll. Came roll with butter. And wow, y'all, look at them ribs right there. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. I got all my food right here, y'all. Check it out. I'm at the farmer's market. We are here in South Florida, man. We are here in Fort Myers. You know, you probably heard of this place. It got hit with the storm. So I just wanted to come down here. I got some family members here that are helping out with the storm recovery. So first I wanted to come to this spot, man. It's, you know, it's like all types of people here, man. There's Caribbean people here, there's black people here, there's white people here. I love it, man. Check it out. So far, I haven't tasted the food. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go straight into the ribs, man. I don't see no sauce or anything here that came with the ribs, but that tastes like a rib tip. I taste that smoky flavor, man. This almost tastes like, it is smoked too, you know? And it does have some type of sauce on it. It's spicy too. I taste some pepper. It tastes like peppercorny, sweet, and delicious, man. The tenderness is like, it's not as tender, but it's very delicious. It comes right off the bone though, don't get me wrong. Wow, y'all gotta get down here. So, already 2 thumbs up on the ribs, and I'm just digging in. It looks like a tip piece. That's a piece that people like, the rib tips. That's a little gristle there. Oh, wow. They probably soak these ribs in like some of their special sauces. That right there, that's a southern cooked rib for real. You know what? Y'all know I always have to compare it to something. These are better than Brothers Ribs. They used to be in Newark, New Jersey. These are some good ribs, man. The ribs get 2 thumbs up. We're gonna go fast through this before my camera messes up. I'm pulling it with the microphone, but we're gonna go real fast through this. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the black eyed peas, y'all. The black eyed peas are cooked in ham hock. Let me clean my palate a little bit, and then we're gonna go for the black eyed peas. Try not to smack too much, but I'm gonna smack a little. Give it half and half. Let's see, black eyed peas. I'm not a big lover of black eyed peas. My mother used to cook black eyed peas a lot. Maybe I just got so worn out on them. But my mother also cooked something called field peas. Some people call them snaps. I mean, field powder peas. Some people call them crowder peas. These taste more like the crowder. They have that good pea texture. I don't know what that means, but those are really good. Okay, the black eyed peas are official. There's nothing wrong with these black eyed peas. Okay? I got okra and mac and cheese too. Here's the mac and cheese, y'all. Check it out. See right there, you can see that hard crispiness where it was baked. You know, that cheesiness. Let's dig right into that. All right. To see that? You got the cheeses coming out there. Let's check it out. You know I always talk about mild and sharp. I taste the mild and sharp, and it's strong on the sharp cheese. I'm getting the thumbs up. Look, it's delicious, delicious. Thank you so much. It's strong on the sharp cheese, y'all. I love the way people mix mild. You gotta mix that mild cheddar and sharp cheddar to get your macaroni tasting like this. Your macaroni and cheese. It tastes delicious. It don't taste as eggy as some mac and cheese. Like my grandmother used to put the egg, her macaroni and cheese, my grandmother's and my mother's macaroni and cheese just stick together, and they use that egg to make it stick together. I don't see it as much here. Maybe a little, but yeah, it kind of like falls apart and breaks down when you eat it. I like that strong, sharp flavor though. You know, I love mild cheese over sharp, but it has that strong, sharp, and then that mild hits you. It's a perfect mix of mild and sharp cheese. All right, y'all, here's the okra. I love fried okra. I even throw okra in my soup sometimes. Y'all say I don't like that sliminess, but old school, man. Old school, got that okra right there. Look, 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 look. I'm sure they deep fry these okra. Oh, wow. Hold up. I gotta stop right there, y'all. Where is it? Where is it? Boom. Look. I gotta show my little hot sauce here, y'all. Y'all gonna need to get y'all some of this little hot sauce. It's almost out, y'all. It's almost depleted. I got some more on the way. I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on this okra. Okra is a southern thing. You can get some good okra in Louisiana. Oh wow, let's check it out, y'all. Heard that little, I got it, man. You just gotta suck the flavor out of these. I know some of y'all don't like okra. Y'all don't know what you're missing. Wow. Okay, I tried everything. I don't know what this is, what type of sauce this was. Let's check it out. You know what that is? I thought that was like apple butter, or I thought it was not apple butter, but cranberry sauce. That's barbecue sauce. It's so funny when you're expecting one taste, and I ate it and it was like barbecue sauce. And I taste the spiciness from it. So what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna dip the rest of this tip here into the barbecue sauce. Let's see if this adds to it. Yo, these ribs are perfect without the sauce, but let's check it out. That's really good. Look at that rib, y'all. It's well done. It's spicy. I can taste some peppers. Definitely delicious. I'm traveling, y'all. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this, but I'm definitely gonna have to find some place with a microwave later. There you go. That rib right there look real tender. Check it out, y'all. See that? They're well done, but they're not dried out, you know, they still have that moisture. And it's not like falling off the bone. You gotta pull a little bit, but they are definitely tender. Believe me, I've had my share of tough ribs, and these are not one of them. I'm gonna pull that piece off. See how because this sauce, I want to know what type of barbecue sauce this is. That's it, y'all. Oh, it's official. 2 thumbs up. We at the Farmers Market restaurant in Fort Myers, Florida. If you're ever in this area, check it out. Come check out Fort Myers. You know, they're rebuilding it. Come give Fort Myers some support. Some of your tourist dollars would be great to come back here. I'm gonna try the cornbread. You know, they put like cornbread in the little cups. I'm gonna put a little butter on it. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put a little butter on it first. This place is packed, y'all. And I absolutely, I am just a cross-cultural person. I like restaurants where all sorts of cultures come into and enjoy food, you know? That really tells you that the food is good, right? When you get everybody to just buy into it, I'm putting too much butter on here, y'all. Don't tell my doctor, all right? All right, here we go. Just the cornbread. The cornbread's good. It tastes, I was gonna say it almost tastes like Jiffy cornbread, but I can taste that almost like buttermilk in here, you know? So it's 2 steps above Jiffy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys put buttermilk, but I definitely taste some buttermilk. It could be the buttermilk or the meal they use. But it has that texture, you know, like when you use meal, like real meal, corn meal to make your cornbread. This Matt DV, y'all like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell a friend, share. Thanks to our patrons that's supporting us. Michael and Brendan, thank you very much for your support. If you want to become a patron, just go to patreon.com/mattdvwilliams. Yo, we here in Fort Myers. I'm signing off, officially, unofficial. But it's delicious, man. I cannot complain. This is a beautiful meal. I just want to know, like, what's in this sauce. What did they use to make it? What kind of barbecue sauce is that? Oh, I still got a biscuit. They sent a biscuit, too. I'm trying not to eat this. Let's just taste the biscuit, since I tasted everything else. Is the biscuit sweet? Yep. The biscuits we used to get in church, after church service, we used to get some biscuits and they were really soft. But those were the biscuits that you buy in the store, and there's a bag of them. We used to just heat those up and eat them. That kind of tastes like that. Y'all still around, man? Matt DV signing off. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. It's Matt DV. I'm out. Peace. Time to do the mix-up now. Tastes like field peas, man. Crowders. And Crowder peas, they look just like black eyed peas. Somebody might get on here and say that they are black eyed peas, but When I lived in Aiken, South Carolina, we used to peel the Crowder peas and take the peas out. We would fill a whole bin up with those things. I remember getting paid 75 cents to do that. My dad used to get a whole bushel of them. My mother would freeze some, cook some. I gotta go into some more of this rib. Look at that. I'm really glad I came here. Y'all still here? I'm really cutting off this time, y'all. Once again, Fort Myers, South Carolina. Fort Myers, South Florida. We're on the west side. Going over the east side later on. See you guys in the next one. That's it, y'all. That's what I'm taking home. We'll be eating that tonight. I thought it was more than that, but it ain't much. And they gave me an extra thing of sauce for tonight, man. I really like this restaurant, and I definitely will be back.